This is the EZARC step drill bit for metal. Actually makes pretty easy work of plastic too. The company sent me this product so I could check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. First off, arrives safe, really nice packaging. Has a really nice storage case with it. Holds in there good, and the bit itself looks great too. When you first take it out, there's a little silicone piece covering the tip, just so you know. They also gave us a 1/4 inch quick release extension with it, and you can see me using the tool over here. I repair and modify guitars, and I experiment with making guitar pedals, stuff like that. And a step bit really comes in handy for all kinds of stuff related to that kind of work. It just makes quick work of stuff for like swapping out larger shaft volume knobs. Sometimes when I have a pickguard cover, depending on how it came, I could use this to countersink, but not always. And it's great for me when I drill holes in these pedals for stuff like volume knobs and jacks. Works great, makes quick work of these light cases. They say it's made from heat-treated M35 Cobalt high steel. That's going to be great for strength, stability, wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and it's good if you're working with a variety of hard metals in your shop. This bit is going to work for metal up to 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters thick, and stainless steel up to 1 millimeter. The bit has 12 standard sizes, and they are printed inside the one flute here. From small to large, we have 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, a 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, and finally 7/8 of an inch. Pretty good jump. It has a larger 5/16 shank on it that fits perfectly into 1/4 inch quick change chucks like the one they gave us here. You just pull the collar back, put the bit in there, release the collar, good to go. Great for swapping out bits and for extending the drilling depth just a little bit if you need a little extra at the end there. It has a triple flute C profile to help with even contact and speed. You got 3 cutting edges. It's going to help you with stability and help to cut down on bit walking. If you want to extend the life of your bit, obviously you can use cutting oil or coolant. If you're doing any type of continuous drilling, you got this spiral flute design on here that's going to allow for chips to get evacuated, and it's going to help with fluid delivery to the cutting area. So there you go. Something like this would be great for the shop, great for odd jobs around the house. You can use it on aluminum, you can use it on plastic, great for guitar building or repairs like I do. You can use it with a hand drill, you can put it into a drill press. Very cool.